welcome to TechDet. Let's dive into our today's problem, farthest point from the origin. It says we are given a string moves of length n consisting of only character L, R, and underscore. The string represents your movement on a number line starting from origin 0. In the ith move, you can choose one of the following. You can move to left if the character is L or underscore. You can move to right if the character is R or underscore. That means underscore is our choice. We can either move to left or right. So here we need to find out the farthest from the origin. Let's look at this test case. So we have LR which cancel out each other. Again L and R, this will cancel out each other. We'll left with three dashes. So that will be our answer, because I can decide I can move to the all the lefts here, or I can move all to the rights. I'll be three distance away from the origin. And here as well, R and L will cancel out each other and have left with one L and four dashes. So I can fill in all the dashes with L's. So I'll be reaching at 5. Then we have all the underscores. That means I can either decide to move at all R or move at all L. That will be 7 distance away from the region. So that's what we'll do. We'll count the number of L's, we count the number of R's. That will cancel out each other, and then we'll add up our dashes, because I can fill with the remaining L's or R's. So let's have it as the move counter, and the total distance I can travel is initially 0. I can say for character C in the moves dot to char array. Here I can say if the character is an L character, let's decrement the moves. Else if the character is an R character, we can increment our moves. They will cancel out each other eventually. And else total distance will be chosen by the underscores. That's our choice. And then finally we can return whatever the absolute value of m is, because that could be negative because of else, if there are more else than r's, and plus the total distance of underscores in that direction. So let's 3 5 and 7. Let's try to hit submit. Okay, it's accepted. Yeah. Yep. Thank you.